My name is Michael Arevalo. The first time I heard about it was actually at the Mariachi Festival. Y'all were a sponsor, and I was a sponsor there as well. The relationship I was in for 18 years, uh, which was with the mother of my children, decided to file for a divorce even though we were not married. We had went through a separation, and she ultimately wanted more money than what I was already giving her. And so she decided that she would try to file for a divorce and try to attack my company and all the things that I had prior to us getting together. My case was a little bit urgent. Actually, I had started using Gonzalez Law Group prior to that case because I was setting up a trust for my kids. So I was already a client prior to the divorce case. So the divorce case, once I got served, it was actually kind of urgent, and because they had served me only like a week before I was supposed to appear to court. So I called the office and told them that I needed to see someone pretty quick, and they were able to make arrangements to get me in to see an attorney and talk to them about the divorce case that I was served with. They gave me information, and they took down all of my information, and within a couple of days they had a response and were able to block the actual court date. And then we set up a mediation, and we went through mediation. It was lengthy, but it was good. Christina and Karime helped me a lot through the whole process. It was just a back and forth thing. It took 5 hours, which I really had no idea it would take that long. But they both stuck with me through the whole process, and we were able to get through it just fine. And it turned out to my benefit, I believe. I ended up giving her less money than I was giving her without going through all of this. Well, it was really aggravating because I knew that I wasn't married, and I guess it was relief that was one of the first things in the mediation that got thrown out, because they could not prove that we were married. And I had letters from people that have heard me say many, many times that we are not married, and there was no proof. So it was good. I was happy. They have a very professional business here. From the experience that I've had, from checking in, they're very fast. They know who you are. They get to the person that you're supposed to talk to, and they don't leave you waiting in the waiting room for a long time. When they get you up into a conference room, they explain to you everything that's going on, and they just make you feel comfortable.